Hold on just a second. I'll hop out. Item 5-1.
Item 5-1.
Show with the citizen contact at 7561 Harvard. Yes, ma'am.
That gold car that's over there, it's been there all night. I don't see any plates on him, and he's been sleeping in that other building,
Okay.
the gold one.
Is the car running or just the lights on?
He just turned it on.
Is he in the car?
I think so.
Okay.
Is it because of the flat tire? It's hard for me to see, but I didn't see any plates at all on it, and it's been there all night.
Okay.
And this morning, when I was walking the dog, he was in the stairway asleep.
Okay. Okay. I'll go check on it. Thank you. Item 5-1. Correction, the vehicle actually might be occupied. Yes, please. You want to approach it now? Mm-hmm. All that? Yep. You want to wait for the answer? No.
You ready? You ready?
Yeah, just wait for the answer. So we were walking back, we had two cars.
Okay.
So. Alright, you want to give commands?
You ready?
Yep.
Driver of brown Kia, this is the sheriff's department. Put your hands out the window. Driver of the brown Kia, put your hands out the window.
Is he complying?
He's sleeping.
I got no movement.
You want me to air out that he's not complying right now and to give us the air?
Well, he's sleeping.
Fair enough. I just...
Yeah.
We want
Okay.
the air or not?
Hit the air horn, maybe that'll wake him up. Nothing. I see him, but he's not moving. He's like
All
kind
right.
of slumped over.
Dantra, do you want to slide out behind Wilmot's car? Get a little L formation going?
I'll move over behind my car.
Okay.
I'm going to take the passenger side, that way I can get that L.
Alright.
Set.
Okay. I'm gonna move up.
Alright. I still got cover from here.
I can't see anything. There. Cut me off fully, I can't.
Here, I'm still this up. We're good.
Okay. Here, I'm going to move up with Foley.
Alright.
Pull on this. Sheriff's office. Put your hands out the window. Put your hands out the window.
Hands out the
Put
window.
your hands.
I don't want to fight, man. I don't want to fight.
Put your hands out the window. Put your hands. Left hand. Right hand out the window. Now. Right hand out. Put your right hand out the window.
He's not a banker, man.
I don't.
Hey, take it out of his mouth. Don't shoot. Stop the vehicle!
Stop the vehicle! Stop the vehicle!
Put your hands out the window!
Hands out the window! Do it now!
Hands out the window!
Put your hands out the window!
5-2 Starters Rescue.
Slide up. Show me your hands! Get out of the car!
Get out of the car!
Help me get him away from the car.